Hey, what's up, Kishu inu holder? But this time the Kishu inu is completely on the trending and the price will starting moving upward now. So I make this special video for all Kishu inu holder, and I have something very special news for all Kishu inu holder. Personally, the CEO of Kishu inu, my friend, Twitter just in only I think 5 hours ago to Kishu inu my friend, the CEO. Personally, this is message especially for all holder viewers, my brother. To we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies, my brother, and this is possible to upcoming time the price will take a very huge jump, my brother. Absolutely, the Kishu inu team, as my friend, is completely sleeping, and absolutely the CEO. Personally, my friend, I just, my friend, this is not a financial video, so therefore I will clearly tell you, my brother. To the CEO of Kishu inu is also sleeping, so therefore Kishu inu price is I think 10 time come to zero, my brother. And absolutely I will stop making video about Kishu inu, but I can't expect, my brother, for Kishu inu CEO personally to they will sleeping. Absolutely, so the team is also sleeping, so therefore the coin price will come to zero now. But the current condition is I think going very good now, and I think they will wake up, so therefore, my brother, the price will starting increasing now. And definitely the holders, the viewers, my friend, absolutely, my friend, want to make I make a special video for Kishu inu, so therefore I make video for all of you. And I like my friend Kishu inu because, my brothers, they very fastly moving upward now, and very short time they will give me a profit. I will take a lot of time, my friends, very good profits from Kisho inu. So therefore, my friend, I absolutely I expect to they will give me again profit now. So, my brother, this time also the condition is very good of Kisho inu. So I know to in upcoming time the Kisho inu price will increasing now. So if you want to, my friend, get a profit, so I think in a very short time, absolutely, if they will fail us down, so they cannot give me, my friend, very big loss, my brother. So therefore I invest, my friend, without any doubt, my friend, and Kisho inu, and absolutely in very short time I will take a profit. So therefore I will recommend for all of you, my brothers, to I think Kisho inu is one of the good option, my brothers, to you will invest in for a short time. This is one of the altcoin, my brothers, so I think I will recommend all of you now, my brother. And absolutely my prediction is totally going to be positive, because you can see here every coin after a fails will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I know to after this fails, absolutely you can see here they will take a very huge jump. So in upcoming time this is possibility they will give you more and more huge profits now. Please don't miss this chance, my brothers, to take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure to in upcoming time if you invest, so they will give you a profit. At the end of month every coin will moving upward, so therefore I will give you guarantee to they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching Kisho inu holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.